In this video, I'll detail how to install YouTube app on iPad. So if you have an iPad Air or iPad Pro, either the second generation or the 11th generation, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily install YouTube on your iPad. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here, when you want to install YouTube on iPad, is open the App Store. Now wait for this to load. Once the App Store loads, tap the continue button. And here, tap the spotlight search at the bottom right and come here and search for YouTube. Then click on it. Now you should see YouTube and then YouTube Kids. Then this depends on which of the YouTubes you want to install. If you want to install YouTube, just click on Get. And if you want to install YouTube Kids, also click on Get. So click on the YouTube application you want to install, and then that here click on the Get button. Then hang on while the YouTube application try to download on your iPad. And you can see sign in, use existing Apple ID or cancel. Go ahead and use existing Apple ID. Then you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID account. Go ahead and type in your Apple ID account. Once you type in your Apple ID username, then go ahead and type in the password. Then after that, click on OK. Then you should see install YouTube. Then go ahead and tap install. Done. Then this is going to download and install the YouTube application on your iPad. Then require password for internal purchase on this device. Require after 15 minutes. Okay. Then after this is going to download and install the YouTube application on your iPad. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.